Guys, please, whatever you do on this YouTube streets, just try and save your channel from demonetization. No matter what you do right here on YouTube, save your channel from demonetization, please. Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to another wonderful video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you one of the ways you can prevent your channel from being demonetized. Yes, we all know that right here on YouTube, you can either be monetized or demonetized as well. Now, one of the topmost sources for your channel to get demonetized is copyright issues. Yes, copyright issues is one of the major reasons of demonetization. And the hard truth is most persons keep falling victim to copyright issues. We keep hearing about copyright all the time, yet and yet, so many people are still falling victim. So many people are still using people's sounds that are not free for public use. Some other persons can use people's sound, and at the end of the day, the revenue you're supposed to be getting for yourself will be going to the owner of the sound you are using. How bad? How bad after your hard work? After your hard work, because I mean, YouTube is hard work. Oh. It is not easy being here, talking and trying to get your audience to engage, and at the end of the day, you get nothing. Or at the end of the day, you are working for someone else. It is very, very bad. So guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on where you can get your copyright free music from the YouTube audio library. Yes, YouTube has an audio library where you can actually get your copyright free music and sound.
So guys, head over to your Google and type studio.youtube.com, though mine is already showing on the screen. So I'll just long press the first option and it will take me directly to my Studio YouTube desktop site. And looking at the left side, you'll see some icons. So we're going to be clicking on that icon that has a musical note here. That is the audio library. When you click on it, you're going to be seeing music and sound effects. So we're going to be starting from music. So you click on the music. When you click on the music, you will be seeing track title, genre. Let's start with the first option, which is track title is system corruption. The genre of the music is cinematic. The mood is dramatic. The artist is the sound. The duration is 2 minutes 29 seconds. Then the license type, yeah, you're going to be seeing license type. Then when you click on it, it's going to show you something. So it's saying that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attributions is required, so you're actually free to use this music. So since you will now click on download. When you click on download, you're going to be seeing the download icon there at the down part. So you click on it, 100% downloaded. Then it will show you something like this. Then you save. This is my save icon because I'm using an iPhone. When I click on save, it will bring out all this for me. Then I'm going to be saving to my files. Yes, I'll click on myself, then I'll save. I have it already, so I'm going to replace or keep the both. So once you save it, you can now use it anyhow you want. Okay. So this audio library allows you to choose any type of music you want for your videos. All right. Now let's look at a second example. For instance, this pickup now, the mood is R&B and soul. The genre is funky. The artist is Adam somebody. The duration is 4 minutes 14 seconds. Then the license type, let's look at the license type as well. It's still telling us that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So this music is copyright free. You can actually use it in your videos. All right. So we'll just go ahead and download it just like we did in the other one. When you download, you save to your files. It's still the same process. All right. The same thing goes for when you are using a sound effects. If you want to add sound effects to your video, so we'll be going over to sound effects. You just click on sound effects, as you can see here. So when you click on sound effects, it's going to bring out a whole lot of options for us. You can see kid, let me zoom it in. Yeah, let me zoom it in so you can see it very well. Yeah, so you can see kids playing, factory background, truck driving in parking structure, what else again, straws quake, daytime forest bonfire, car drive by, and so on. Like, the list is endless, so you can choose as much as you want. Okay, it also has category. So this is the category, any category you want at all. Then you can just download, click on download. The same process. When you download, you save to your files, and you can use this in your videos. All right.
Guys, I believe you have seen how you can get copyright-free music for your videos and run away from demonetization. So guys, I believe this video has been helpful to someone out there. So if you found this video helpful, kindly give this video a massive thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share this video so that more people can get to see this good news. So guys, till I see you guys next time. Bye for now.